The biggest force multiplier that our agency probably has is our airborne operations.
We can increase the safety for the guys on the ground exponentially.
If we are already in the air, when a call comes out, it's not 100%, but it is pretty close to 100% of capture rate.
They think they've gotten away, and we've been watching them the whole time.
The Law Enforcement Aviation Unit really is a game changer for how we operate on the ground. The ability to look at things from the air perspective in critical incident, even in routine patrol, is really a force multiplier. We can do more with less in terms of traffic safety enforcement, resolving critical incidents, because we have that asset. It's expensive, but in comparison to other technologies that are out there, it has been a great investment for the state of Nebraska.
For me, the biggest asset I see in this air support unit is just helping a traffic cop. I mean, you're just an extension of that tool on the ground. So if I'm down making a traffic stop and somebody runs and they're going 120 miles an hour on the freeway, instead of me staying in fresh pursuit and pushing that person to go even faster because I'm up on their bumper, being able to drop back and having that air support capability take over.
We can do things safer. We can take less risk when air wings overhead. You've seen our tactical flight officer program grow exponentially because we've created value with these other agencies. They know the air wing is so valuable that we want to commit our most valuable resource to it, which is personnel. That's incredible. 99.9% of the feedback I've ever received from the public on airborne operations is positive. I can't even think of a single circumstance where I've had somebody complain about the noise. It does draw attention, but I think the same safety and peace of mind that we feel on the road as law enforcement, the public feels when that unit's up.
For an agency that wants to start up their own division, I would say, at first it looks like it's a lot of cost. How are we going to afford it? But when you save somebody's life, you can't put a cost on it. It's going to take time and money, but it's totally worth it, and you can do it. For us, we're limited on pilots, and we're able to make it work.
When you're saving a life, you're saving a child, you're catching a kidnapper, a homicide suspect, whatever it is, if there's no label of cost you can put on that.